currently offering you the best selection of cars we've ever had. Another incredible find by us. Now, this is the best value Defender 110 you will find in the UK today for age, mileage and spec. It's a 2020 reg Defender 110 D240 in Pangea Green. Now, for me, this colour really works on this car. It looks great. Black styling package, but this car's got some key features. It's an SE, so things like keyless entry, Meridian sound, electric memory seats. We've got clear sight camera inside. We've got a removable tow bar, the matrix lights, but over and above that, we've got an opening sunroof. We've got arch extensions. It's a top car, and it is unbelievable value for money with just 8,000 miles on, still under Land Rover warranty until 2023. For me, it's the colour. It's a real classic Land Rover colour in green. It looks great. From the front end, you'll see the new generation car. Looks brilliant. These lights are part of the SE spec, so matrix lights with the LED daytime driving lights. Don't confuse this with an S car, because on an S you do not get these lights. See the black lights around? You've got the heavy duty bonnet inserts, black inserts into the wings, and another upgrade on this car, 20-inch gloss black wheels. While you're around the side of the car, notice this, arch extensions, which really beef up this car. It looks great. Features go on and on and on, so fixed side steps, roof rails, all these things are over and above for a Defender. Keyless entry, privacy glass, fixed spare wheel to the back, soft closing rear door, mud flaps. Again, another option. Into the boot, the 110 of course, the 5-door model gives you the space you require from a big car like this, and it is a big car, dwarfing the Range Rover Sport if you put them side by side. Because it's a 110, we've got air suspension. If we lift the boot floor, we have in the boot the detachable tow bar, which easily hooks on underneath the car, another big feature. I've mentioned it there, soft closing rear door. This rear door is heavy because it's got that spare wheel on the back. Camera system in these are incredible, so full 360 3D camera system. I'll show you that inside the car. Then into the back, half leather interior with the very heavy duty cloth material exterior of the seats in black. Note that sunroof, tilt and sliding opening roof. These features make this car, it makes it what it is. So the value for money element in this car is exceptional anyway, just as if it was a standard model, but then with the features it's got, it's incredible. Look into the mirror there, SE spec gives you lane departure warning system, you see that little orange light. Then into the car, so big features, SE spec, Meridian sound system, memory seats, electric child locks, full digital display. Then look at the mirror, we've got clear sight interior mirror camera, which is a camera in the area at the top of the car. You can't see much because it's against a white wall. Then jumping in, note the seats are fully electric, so down here you've got all your controls for the seats. Keyless start, I've mentioned keyless entry. Now in a Defender, things are important because now on a new one, these things aren't standard, like the digital display behind the steering wheel. The car is now updated and can update itself all the time with newer interface and newer software. It comes now with the newer software, the wireless Apple and Android CarPlay. The smartphone interface is now wireless, which is great. This car's got heated steering wheel over and above the normal spec, full multifunction steering wheel with lane departure. And then if you come inside, you'll see some real good features. So big infotainment system, touch operated navigation, Bluetooth, media interface. Then you've got slope assist, compass, wheel info, wade center. You can literally add so many different things onto here. Driving style, it's great. Popping it into reverse, again this camera system, reversing camera, off-road camera, towing camera with our guideline. Then the 3D element to this camera system as well. Just out of this world stuff. It's just a great value for money, this car. Look at that. Seats at the front are heated, the screen's heated at the front, the screen's heated at the rear, air suspension to raise and lower the car. Obviously it is an ultimate off-road driving vehicle, so it will do everything off-road. A lot of people are using these just for on-road purposes, but if you want to take it off-road, it is that good. Up here, this is the camera system. This is a clear sight camera, so just by flicking the mirror, it goes into a normal mirror, back up again. You've got your camera system working, and then the sunroof with blind for convenience. 2 keys for the car. Loads of space inside the front. It is a top car. It's all about the spec for me. It's all about the colour as well. The arch extensions, the SE, plus the other bits on it with only 8,000 miles. It's a top buy if you're looking for a Defender. My name's Richard. Use my number on the screen. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.